Friends, good evening. Uh, Many of you know very well that lockdown is going to complete. Means the government is going to end the lockdown very soon. Uh, but the cases are increasing. So just I want to give some warning or important message to all of you. So just want to share you this video to all of you. So what is my view on this is the cases are increasing very fastly while the government is saying you can go out, lockdown is going to be over. This is mainly because government is running out of money. Government is not able to supply food for immigrants or people who are from other state who don't have uh, basic who are not from the same particular migrants and other people who are in remote areas. Government is not able to provide support for them. So and it's not having enough uh, finance. Government is not having enough finance to take the more steps or provide for food. So government has decided uh, this if government needs money, everything to be normalized. So everything they want it to run. So that's the reason. I think the major reason why the government has taken a decision to remove the lockdown, so that people will go for work, they will have money, they will make the payments, EMIs which have the stopped and all these things, they will be start making the payments. Once this payments are made, government will start getting the money. That's the reason government is looking for. That's on a certain point it's a good note, but this could lead to a very big crisis or a very worst scenario, particularly like country like India, where the population is very high and the spreading will become very easier, and this will might end up after 4 months or 6 months, not sure. What I'm trying to tell you is that it might take another 4 months of lockdown. What I predict is the lockdown, this will be freed for few days, might be 10 or 15 days, might be 1 month. After that, I am pretty sure that the cases are going to surge very high and very faster. The government having no other option, once again go for the lockdown. But this time, that is when again the government goes for the lockdown the second time, the problem or the number of cases is going to be very high. The deaths are going to be very high. This is going to be a very much problematic for the present government. It might be whichever the government, that it be state governments or the central government, is going to be whichever. It's going to be very big problem for all of them. We should not remove the lockdown until these cases are decreasing. But we are not. Government can't do that, as no people are not getting food even. That's the reason. But what I suggest for all of you seeing this video is, you go out if you want, but make yourself protective from this virus. People who are young will not get affected. People who have some disease or who have any other problem in their body or old aged will be the serious issue. So make not just yourself safe. If you're being safe, by being yourself safe, you're making your family also very safe. So I urge you to follow all the government instructions, which the precautions measures they told to follow, government has ordered to follow you, follow everything, so that we can escape. Not just now, the next coming big threat. Either the government might put another lockdown after some time for another 4 or 6 months, or it is going to see people getting dead. Either one of the situation is going to happen for sure. So this might happen, this might not happen. I mostly strongly feel this will happen. So that's the reason I'm telling you in advance to make yourself and your family safe. Thank you. Nothing else. Take care. Hope you will take some necessary actions and you yourself get prepared for the next big lockdown. See you in another video.